हेलो दोस्तों, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। आप लोग का फिर से स्वागत है द इलीट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इंस्टीट्यूट क्लास में। तो जैसा कि मैंने कल आप लोगों से कहा था कि एक दिन हमारे क्लास में आपको लेक्चर दिया जाएगा, आपको समझाया जाएगा और दूसरे दिन जो है वो आपका एक डिबेट होगा। तो आज हमारे पास दो बंदे हैं, एक विरंजन और एक अहमद, ठीक है। तो इन दोनों को आज जो ये लोग डिबेट करेंगे, ये ग्रुप डिस्कशन नहीं करेंगे, एक ये डिबेट करेंगे। तो इनका जो टॉपिक है प्राइवेट जॉब इज़ बेटर और गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज़ बेटर, ठीक है। तो आप लोग सुनिए और समझिए कि मैंने इन बंदों को सिखाया हूँ और ये किस लेवल का बोलते हैं, किस तरह का बोलते हैं, है ना। तो आप लोग गौर से वीडियो को सुने, देखें और समझे। एक्चुअली दोस्त, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि देखिए, कोई भी भाषा सीखने के लिए हमें उस भाषा को बहुत ही गौर से सुनना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। जैसे कि अगर मैं आप लोग से कहूँ कि हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है, तो क्या हम अपने बच्चों को हिंदी सिखाते हैं? नहीं सिखाते। हमारे घर में जब कोई बच्चा पैदा लेता है तो हम उसको यही सिखाते हैं, बोल बेटा पापा, बोल बेटा चाचा, बस इतना हम इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं। बाकी वो बच्चा हमें सुन सुन करके, नोटिस कर करके, बच्चा जो टूटा फूटा बोलते 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 और फिर वो बच्चा एक बार बिल्कुल सही सही बोलने लगता है। तो ठीक उसी प्रकार से ये भाषा है और हमारे लिए बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है। तो हम इसको पढ़ेंगे भी और गौर से सुनेंगे भी, तो हमें ये सब चीज़ें दिमाग में अच्छे से सेट होगी, हम समझेंगे और हम बहुत जल्दी सीखेंगे। ओके गाइस, तो आपका क्या है टॉपिक?
मेरा है गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज़ बेटर।
आपका गवर्नमेंट जॉब बेटर, आपका क्या है विरंजन?
प्राइवेट जॉब इज़ बेटर।
ओके, सो गाइस, अब आप लोग इसको गौर से सुने, है ना। चलिए नज़दीक आ जाइए, आप दोनों एकदम नज़दीक आ जाइए। हाँ, आप अलग अलग बात की। चलिए ओके, स्टार्ट कीजिए, जोर से बोलिए।
Hello Mr. Ahmed, how do you do?
Yes, I am over the moon, and you tell me how do you do?
I am also in apple pie order.
So without any rhyme and reason, first of all, I would like to say good morning to our respected sir and all of the guys who are seated here, and thanks to all of the guys who are going to watch on YouTube or Facebook. And you tell me what is our burning issue today?
Our burning issue today is private job is better or government job is better.
So without any cluments, you just make me understand which side is being favored by you.
I am favoring government job is better.
Government job,
Sorry,
Mr. It's my topic.
Sorry. I am favoring private job is better.
So without any rhyme and reason, you just make me understand how private job is more better as compared to government job. Mister, I think you are not well versed with India. You know, right now, if in India you are having government job, it means you are having everything. And Mister, you know, if you wanna become big gun in your society and in your life, then you should go for government job, because you know, in a government job, first you will have ample of money, and second you will get respect, and you know, you will be given every type of service at blink of an eye. So you should go for government job.
Mr. In India,
Yes.
there is a craze of government job, but you know, Mr. In India, I think there is also craze of private job, because you know, Mr. In India, you also know that what is the condition of government job. You know, right now, I think 2 to 3% people are getting government job, but you know, in MNC companies and other private sector company, the selection procedure of private sector company.
Mr. Vyanjan, you were saying,
compared to government sector, so you can.
Okay, Mr. I see eye to eye with you, but Mr. earlier you were saying that in India there is a craze of private job. So, Mr. I think you are not well versed with this world right now. How many?
I think you don't
Mr.
know
Mr.
about-
Let me
I
speak.
think you
Mr.
don't know
Vikas.
about private MNC companies.
Mr. Let me speak. Thereafter you will have to make me understand.
Offering in private right now.
So,
what is the
Mr.
private-
Without any rhyme and reason, you just make me understand right now how many students are infatuated with private job and how many students are infatuated with government job. And at least 90% students are infatuated with government. It is better to. And you are saying that right now the only 2 to 3% students are getting government job. So, Mr. I think you are not well versed with this world. You know, it is believed that success is like a vehicle which moves on with, that is called hard work. So,
Yeah.
Mr. If you wanna become big, then you will have to have hard work. And right now, what is the condition of Indian students? You know, they are not moving heaven and earth in their study, and they are blaming to government. Governments are not providing job. What is this?
So what is the
Yes.
That's why I am saying we should go for a private job, because it is easily available in our country. So you know, in MNC company, if you want to have a job in MNC company, then you can get easily job. But if you want to become a peon in government sector, then if you want to become a teacher in government sector, then you will have to face many difficulties. Thereafter you will get job, a government job, and thereafter you will work as a survey man, and you got a job as a teacher, but you will have to face many difficulties.
Mr. Okay, Mr. You were saying that.
Government job.
Mr.
And you know what what is the condition of government job? If you want to get government job,
Yes.
the growth rate and promotion rate is very slow. But if you want to get private job and if you work in that company and as per your skills, you will get very early promotions and you will get more salary as compared to private government sector.
Okay, Mr. Vyanjan. Okay, have you done your sentence?
Mr. Ahmed, have you ever heard this sentence? Any government employee have Fortuner, Land Rover, cars. And
What is this, Mister? They are not able. Mister, they are not showing their money. You know, they are not showing their property. That is why they are not having anything. Although they are having ample of money. And Mister, have you, Mister?
Having private job, but he can do anything.
Yes, right now he is able to have anything in his life. So, Mister, I think you are not well versed with army. You are
any government employee traveling and any government employee buys these types of cars.
Mister, I am making you understand now.
I don't know. It is believed that if you got a private job, then you
Mister, okay, Mister, let me speak right now. I think you are deprived of Indian Army. You are deprived of IAS, IPS, Mister. You know, if you have job in this sector, then you know what will be felt by you. You can't imagine. You know, Mister. You know, suppose you are an IAS, you are an IPS, then you can have everything at blink of an eye. You know, Mister. This world will rule in your hand. Sorry, this country will rule on you by your hand.
But it is also
Yes.
a condition of private job. You know, if you one time got job in MNC sector, then you can do anything. You can buy.
And Mister, right now,
cars, you
Mister,
can buy home.
Mister,
As per your BC. So this is the condition.
And Mister, you are saying that if you wanna have job in
private
MNC,
also.
yes, right now you are saying that if you wanna have job in any MNC company, then Mister, you don't have to have a study.
Definitely will.
Don't Mister, you will have to break. Don't Mister, you will have to move even in earth. So Mister, right now why every students are infatuated with government job? Why no one willing to? Mister, you tell me right now why no one willing to have private job?
Because they don't know what is the luxurious life they are spending. So
Mister,
that's why
Mister, you are not talking about
private
Mister.
employee is spending a luxurious life as compared to government job without
Mister-
any fear.
Mister-
So that is the condition. They don't know how to get a government job easily, how to get a private job easily, and they can spend a luxurious life.
Biranjan, you don't talk about private job because you know nowadays many person and many students are being hit below the belt in the name of private job because you know they are being hit below the belt by agent. You know, Mister, they are being said that if you want to have job in any big MNC
But
company,
it is also happening
then you will have
in private.
then you have to
Mr.
give it
Mr.
1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, and you know, Mister, you know.
They are being hit below the belt of
Yes,
the name of
private job, you know.
This is also happening in government sector. You know what is the condition of government job? You know, if you want to become a teacher, then you will have to face many selection procedures. So if you first you will have to
Yes, Mister, if you wanna, Mister, I know if you wanna become teacher in your life, then you will have to cross many types of examination. But you do know, Mister, life is like a book. Some chapters are good and some chapters are bad. If you don't turn the next page, then how will you come to know what the next chapter has stored for you? And you are being a student, you are thinking that you will have to face many types of problems. And you know, Mister, if you say that, Mister,
first you reply my sentence. Who is easy for us? Government job.
Right now to get private job is cakewalk for everyone. But you know, right now how much money?
That's why
How much money is?
We don't need to waste our time. We just.
But Mister, you do know if you have private job, then you will have only 15 to
private job, and we will work in private sector job as per our skill. Then we will get a more salary as compared to private.
So, Mister, you tell me one thing right now. If you have work in any company, then how much money will be earned by you? Only 15 to 16,000 rupees. But you know right now what is the condition of government job? If you become an government, Mister, if you become government teacher, if you become government police, then you know you will have 30 to 40,000 rupees per month, and right now it is enough for us. And if you become an IAS and IPS, and you know, suppose if you become Indian Army, then you know everyone will damn impressed by you. You know, right now there is a craze of army.
But if you
Yes.
get job in Tata, if you get job in Apple,
Mister, nothing is going to be happened. I know if you have work in Tata, if you have
MNC companies like
Yes.
ITC, Microsoft, and Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, in these types of MNC company will offer a high package to students, and you know it is a dream of IITs and IIMs students to get job. To get private job, not government job. So this is the condition of government job and private job, because you know in government job we will get less salary, but in private job we will get high salary.
I know, Mister, if you have work in Microsoft, Wipro, Tata, and then you will have ample of money. But Mister, if you wanna get
Mister, have you ever listened? In any government sector, you will get 1 crore rupees per annum package, but it is possible in private sector company.
Yes, I see eye to eye with Mister. When it's come to the matter of money, then I see eye to eye with you. But you know, Mister,
1 crore to 2 crore rupees per annum package. So it is the craze of government job.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
they
I
don't-
see. Mr.
the
When
person
it's
who don't know what we will get benefits in private sector job, these types of package we will get in private sector job, and how many money we can earn in private sector companies. So that person passing comments, private job are not good for us.
Mr. Yes, when it's come to the
But I
matter
know
of
what is
having
the
ample of money, then I see eye to eye
what
with
is
you.
the condition
But
of
Mr. You know,
private sector
Mr. What is the
company? We get
qualification?
more salary in private sector as compared to government sector. So that's why I am saying private sector companies are better as compared to government.
Yes, I see. When it's come to the matter of having ample of money, then I see eye to with you. Private company is good, but Mr. You know, if you go in a government sector, then you know you will have ample of money as well as respect.
Yes.
And you know, right now there is a craze of a government job in our country. Everyone wanna become an IAS, an FPS, an army, and government teacher and Indian police. So, Mr. Right now everyone is infatuated with government job. How many person are able to have?
Okay,
Mr. Right now, you know, Mr. You know, in the seats of in the vacancies of 10 lakh students are giving the examination. You know
Mr.
what
You
is
are
this?
saying about respect, but
Yes.
I want to say to you in white elephant era right now, the person who have more money, they get more respect as in our society. So if you get it doesn't matter if it doesn't matter you have government job and private job. If you have more money, then
Mr. Right now, if you say
get
to me,
more respect in our society.
Mr. Viranjan, if you say to me, if you are having money right now, we are living in a white elephant era and you are having ample of money, then you will be given respect. So right now it is just good for saying.
Private sector company.
Mr. Right now, if you say to me, we are living in white elephant era, and in this era, if you are having ample of money, then you will be given
Yes,
respect.
then just
So, Mr. Right now, it is just good for saying. It is just good for saying because you know, right now, by the dint of money, we can buy a food, not appetite. By the dint of money, we can buy a bed, but no sleep. By the dint of money, we can buy everything, but not happiness. So, Mr. I will say to you right now, if you are living luxurious life, then it is enough for us, enough for you, and enough for everyone. So, Mr. If you wanna get, if you wanna go further in your life, then you will have to go for governments, because when it comes to the matter of marriage, if you are having government job, then everyone will give advantage to you. Otherwise, you will not be given advantage by anyone. It is the condition of India, and we have to.
So that's why I am saying the person
Yes.
who don't know what is the benefits we get in private sector job, and you know what is the condition of government sector. You know, in India there is a height of unemployment. So you know, if you want to become a government employee, then you will have to face many.
Mr. In India, if there is a high unemployment rate, then it creates goes to students. Students.
You know, if you want to get a government job, then you will have to face many selection procedure, like you will have to face CBT1, CBT2 and CBT3 interview. Thereafter they will arrange interview. Thereafter in merit list you will be selected or not. Then
Mr. If you are having capacity to move heaven and earth, then definitely you will be selected. Yes, in government job. And Mr. I have already told to you, Mr. You know, success is like a vehicle which moves on wheel, that is called hard work. So, Mr. If you wanna get success, then you will have to have hard work by hook and by crook. Thereafter, you will be able to success. And if you say that I will have 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month, then you will have to go in any private company.
Also, the time is very.
I know time is very precious. Then what does it mean?
Time is very precious for us. And you know, right now students are passing their golden time to get government job. They are spending their time to get that government job. And you know, governments are playing with students. You know what is the condition of
Mr. You know, right now, Mr. Viranjan, I have already told you, Mr. You know, right now, when it's come to the matter of.
Their selection procedures are very late as compared to private sector. So if you want to become a government employee, then you will have to face many difficulties.
Yes, I know, but you know, Mr. You know.
Roadblocks in government sector.
Okay, Mr. I am making you understand. You know, right now, when it comes to the matter of marriage, when it comes to the matter of giving respect, when it comes to the matter of luxurious life, then you know, government job is being brought to light by us. Why? And this society.
There are many
You tell me
people in our
why
society,
this? Why government,
there are
Mr.
many people
Mr.
in our society,
Yes.
they have government job, and they are giving and society members are also giving respect to them as compared to who have government
Yes,
job.
Mr. Right now, those person are being given
There is
respect
no
who is having
any
government job.
discrimination between
Mr. Because everybody knows that what is
in our
the.
society. I have never seen there is a discrimination between government job or private job. It is the only discrimination in marriage. Here is a if you come to matter on marriage, then
Yes.
definitely.
Yes, why government? No, mister, when it's come to the matter of respect, luxurious life and marriage, then you know, government job is being brought to light by us. Why?
Definitely, but
Yes, it is being brought to light by us because there is a value, mister, there is a value of government job in India. And you know, mister, if you become Indian police, then what will be happened?
But there is also craze of government job in only villages, not in urban areas.
Mister, right now-
Mister, in not urban areas, because you know in urban area there are many MNC companies are still right now. So that's why they know what is the facilities we are getting in private sectors as compared to government sectors. So persons are not spending their time. The students are not.
Mister, again and again you are talking about, mister, again and again you are just talking about MNC company. So mister, I think you are not well versed with this world, you know.
As compared to village area people, so they think we will get easily private sector and we will get more salary as compared to government sector. So what's the need of have government job?
Mister, again and again you are talking about MNC company. So mister, I think you do know, you know, right now many person are being hit below the belt in the name of good job. You know, companies are saying to them you will be given job in good sector and thereafter they are working as labor. What is this, mister?
No, it is
Mister,
also
right now it is being done by private companies.
But it is
Right now it is not being done by government sector.
also.
In which sector it is being done? Yes,
You know what is the condition of in government job?
Yes.
You are more educated. Then they don't care how much talent you have. Then if you got selected as a loco pilot, then
Mister, in
you work
which
as a
sector?
loco
You
pilot.
tell me, in which sector?
Mister, you will get very late promotions and in private sector job. They will hire you as per your skill, as per your talent, and they will offer you salary as per your talent and as per your skill. So it is a conditions of private sector job.
Mister, I think you do know, Mister Benjani, I think you do know, you know, suppose you are a private employer.
In railways, there are many high educated person, PhD and engineering past students are working as a group D. So this is the condition of government sector.
Yes, I am
And
making you
if
understand.
get one time private job if you have degree as like engineering, so you will get more salary and you will spend luxurious life in private sector company. So this is the condition. This is the big difference in
Okay, Mister, I am.
private sector and government.
Okay, Mister, I am giving the answer of your question, Mister. You know, right now, you know, if you are suppose you are having work in private sector, then you know you will not be given enough rope to have something for your country and your society. But right now, if you are a government servant, then you will be given enough rope to have something for your country and your society. And you know, if you talk about Group D servant, if you talk about government teacher, if you talk about Indian policy, you know, they are being given enough rope to have something for their country and their people. And so, Mister, what is important for us, our country, people, or our country and other things?
So what you want to say, Mr. Private sector employee are not giving?
No, they are not being given enough rope to have something for their country. Mister, you know, I know they are having money in their life. Yes, I see. When it's come to the matter of having money, then they are having ample of money. But you know, they are not having something for their country.
Idea about it, so that's why you are saying.
Mister, right now I am well versed with this world. And you know, Mister, you are saying that to get a government job.
Mister, what is called what is good for our country? They are paying high tax as compared to government sector employees. So this is they are also making their hands in development of our country. They are also paying more tax as compared to.
Then, Mister, how much money is being given by them? Mister, you know, they are not contributing their money to our government for have something for our country. You know, Mister. And you are talking about private employees. Right now, the condition of private employees is very miserable.
Definitely.
And Mister, you are Mister.
Who is giving who is giving more tax? Private company employee or government company?
Definitely, right now private employees are giving more tax as compared to government employees.
So
Yes, but Mister, you know, Mister, you are just thinking about that person who is the HR of any company.
For our country.
Mister, you are just thinking about that person who is the HR of, who is the CEO of any company, but you are not paying attention on that person who is working as labor. You know, Mister.
It is believed that in our country, MNC companies are giving more taxes as compared to government sector.
Then what does it mean? What does it mean, Mister? If they are giving money, then what does it mean?
It is believed that if MNC company will stop their services in our India, then our India will destroy.
How is it possible, Mr. At the time of our leader era, how many MNC company how many MNC company were in India?
It is believed that our country are being run by MNC companies and private sector companies, because you know day by day everything is going privatized.
Mr. Niranjan, right now you know everybody.
Stop. Let it be. Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys. So I think you all have heard that what is being said by guys, है ना? How they are speaking, है ना? So अब क्या होगा कि रोज जो है इस तरह का आपको एक लेक्चर और उसके बाद एक दिन आपको डिबेट, कभी कभी ग्रुप डिस्कशन और बहुत सारी अदर चीज़ें भी आपको बताई और सिखाई जाएगी। एक चीज़ दोस्तों आप ध्यान रखिए, अगर अंग्रेजी सीखना है तो आपको उन सभी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा जो आपको बताया जाएगा। अब ये जो बंदे हैं, अब मैं इनका थोड़ा सा हिंदी में इंट्रोडक्शन दिलवाना चाहता हूँ कि ये दोनों के दोनों है जो बिहार बोर्ड से है ना, ये दोनों बंदे बिहार बोर्ड से है और इन्होंने अंग्रेजी कैसे सीखी और कैसे ये बोल रहे हैं। हाँ, फ्लुएंसी के चक्कर में थोड़ी बहुत क्या होती है कि ज़्यादा फास्ट बोलने के चक्कर में थोड़ी बहुत हल्की फुल्की इरर्स हो जाती है, थोड़ी बहुत बच्चे गलती कर रहे हैं। सो वो प्रैक्टिस से धीरे धीरे वो ख़त्म हो जाएगी और बिल्कुल ग्रामेटिकली बिल्कुल सही ये लोग बोलेंगे आने वाले समय में, है ना। सो अब इनसे आप सुनो कि इनका क्या सजेशन है ना। आपने अंग्रेजी कैसे सीखा?
मेरा नाम, सबसे पहले तो मैं अपना नाम बताना चाहता हूँ। मेरा नाम अहमद रजा है और मैं अभी BA पार्ट 2 में हूँ और मैं इस इंस्टीट्यूट में लगभग एक साल पार हो गया मेरा, यहाँ 1 साल से पढ़ रहा हूँ। और तो मैं जब यहाँ आया था तो मैं तो उतना कुछ नहीं जानता था, मैं बिहार बोर्ड का स्टूडेंट रह चुका, उतना नहीं जानता था, लेकिन अब बहुत इंग्लिश में बहुत काफ़ी जान गया हुआ हूँ। आप मतलब आफ्टर 3 or 4 months आई विल बी एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश विथ फ्लुएंस एंड विदाउट एनी मिस्टेक, ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक। और मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत सारा अभी मार्केट में इंस्टीट्यूट है जिसमें बोला जा रहा है कि 3 महीने में इंग्लिश सिखा दिया जाएगा, 4 महीने में इंग्लिश सिखा दिया जाएगा, 6 महीने में, लेकिन मुझे वैसा नहीं लगता है। काहे कि मैं जब मैट्रिक का एग्ज़ाम दिया तो उस समय भी मेरा अच्छा नंबर आया था, इंटर का दिया उस समय भी मेरा अच्छा नंबर आया, उसके बावजूद भी हमको 7-8 महीना लग गया था सीखने में। तो लेकिन हम रोज़ाना हम पढ़ाई भी करते थे, 2 घंटा हम पढ़ाई करते थे, उसके बावजूद भी हमको 7-8 महीना लग गया। इंग्लिश कितना भी पढ़ लेने से नहीं होता है, मतलब कितना भी चैप्टर पढ़ लो, जब तक कि इंग्लिश सुना नहीं जाता है और उसको मतलब डिबेट नहीं किया जाता है तब तक कि उसमें नहीं फ्लुएंट आता है। ये हम देख चुके हैं और सीख जाएगा, सब सीख जाएगा।
थैंक यू। नाउ मिस्टर बिरंजन, अब आप बताएं कि आपने जब आप यहाँ पे आए थे तो आप कैसा महसूस किए थे, आपको कैसा लगा था, है ना। उसके बाद फिर आपने कैसे सीखा, ये चीज़ आप इन लोगों से डिस्कस करें, है ना।
तो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम बिरंजन है और मैं आप सभी को बता दूं कि यहाँ पे जब मैं आया तो मुझे एक भी सेंटेंस इंग्लिश में बोलने नहीं आ रहा था, जहाँ तक कि मुझे टेंस के बारे में पूरा डिटेल्स नहीं पता था। टेंस थोड़ा मोड़ा आता था लेकिन पूरा डिटेल्स नहीं आता था। तो जब मैंने सर का क्लास अटेंड करना स्टार्ट किया और सर जो वे में पढ़ाते हैं उसको मैंने पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया, जो भी सर का लेक्चर क्लासेस और वीडियो क्लासेस जो आपको आगे भी वीडियो में दिया जाएगा, तो हम तो ऑफलाइन क्लास किए थे सर से। तो सर ने जो बोला हमको करने के लिए, रिविजन्स करने के लिए, और जो भी सर का जो पढ़ाया चैप्टर था वो मैंने पूरा डिटेल्स में पढ़ा। तो जब मैंने बोलना स्टार्ट किया, पहले मैंने हिंदी में बोलना स्टार्ट किया, हिंदी में डिबेट स्टार्ट किया, उसके बाद हमने स्टार्ट किया धीरे धीरे इंग्लिश में डिबेट करना। तो धीरे धीरे मेरा उतना फिर फ्लुएंस आने लगा धीरे धीरे। तो उसके बाद मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया इंग्लिश में ही बोलना और धीरे धीरे मेरा सुधार हो रहा है इंग्लिश में और उम्मीद करता हूँ आगे बहुत अच्छा सुधार हो। तो अगर आप भी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो तो इस वीडियो को आप लोग पूरा देखिएगा और आप अपने दोस्तों में इस वीडियो को शेयर करिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिएगा ताकि जो भी अपडेट आएगा आपको इस चैनल पे आपको मिल जाएगा दोस्तों।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।